Ftikhar Ahmed then in at number 5, and they're under pressure now, the Tigers. They'll need some of that strike rate of 223. Mohsen into the attack with the breeze, and a lovely Yorker straight away. 130 kilometers per hour, not quick. Good deception though to get the left-handed, hard-hitting Afghanistani Zazai out. Outside edge straight away, a run away. So like Livingston, Ftikhar has a bit of luck.
It's a lovely length, but again, fast hands through the ball.
Again gone with that full delivery. There is a little cover out there, but can he get it? No.
Ftikhar, back-to-back boundaries, just had the wicket of Zazai. Slide in. Oh dear.
No, absolutely not. Slow. Went straight through him. Wow, he's hit that hard.
A very good field off his own bowling, but Ftikhar, the power, he has smashed this. Do well to get a hand on. I think he has. Ouch.
That's better. A little bit slower.
Impressive so far. Full toss. Ifty deals with it into the dirt. 50 comes up.
To go full and in the hole possibly, but he's missed it by miles. Thigh height, and Ftikhar Ahmed never misses.
Quite a good plan. That's. He wants to run now. Is there a chance for a direct hit? Keeper's end. Gone. That's marvellous wicket keeping. Poor running. Alex Hales delivers a killer blow.
There's a weight to it. It's Ftikhar, the man who is set